got another hood latch video for you guys. We have a 2001 to 2003 Acura Type S.
It's a TL.
TL Type S. It's also the same for the Accord, the same years. This hood latch, if you want to show us here.
Yep, the hood won't stay shut. Go to shut it. It's stuck, so it won't actually engage the latch mechanism. And what it is, this lever is stuck open, and we took this off to just to show you guys a little easier what lever it actually is that's being stuck open. And this lever right here needs to go back this way, so you need to pry on it this way and it'll go back to the closed position. I just want to get a little better position on it here.
Oh yeah, I'll stand this side. Better view.
Screwdriver, and there it is. You can see the spring is all the way tight. It's all the way against there. Spring's actually a little bit loose now. It's doesn't have the space between the rungs there. And this lever here, this one right here, is fully towards the driver's side. So when we shut it now, it should be able to be shut without any being stuck open a little bit. There it is.
There's another one solved for you guys, and thanks for watching.